have some very interesting footage here coming from a dash cam out of Peru, and clearly looks like the typical flying saucer. Apparently the driver tried to kind of chase the object. I don't see how he could have. It looks like a straight road, but he may have tilted his dash cam. I'm not really sure how they work, but this is very interesting. Like I said, looks like a typical flying saucer to me, and it doesn't look CGI'd. This is just hitting the net today. I will leave a link from where this video came from. I was originally uploaded to Facebook, and there's kind of a close-up view of it. And I'm not sure if the Facebook link is still working. You may have taken it down. I tried to click on it and it did not work. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.